Today we're unboxing the ARZOPA 15.6 inch portable monitor. First off, we've got the packaging, very sleek, minimalistic, which is something that I always appreciate. Please save some money on the packaging, pass that along to me. I don't need anything that is super too fancy. But let's crack this thing open. This monitor boasts not only a 15.6 inch full HD IPS display, 1080p resolution. I actually used this monitor at the KC Game On LAN party not too long ago. I was gaming on this just fine. Not your 1440p 144 hertz refresh rates or anything like that, but it definitely gets the job done. Right on top, we have this protective foam that is glued to the inside of the box. The actual monitor itself is right on top. We're going to set that aside just for a second here while we take a look at everything else that is in the box. We've got the quick start manual right here. Very simple. I should have probably taken a closer look at this right away, but we'll come back to that. We've got our warranty card, of course. Put that one in the garbage. We've got 3 cables that came with this. First off is an HDMI to Mini HDMI, a USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable. Quick glance here to make sure there's nothing else hiding in the box, and we are good to go to open the monitor. All right, the knife is right there, Devin. Just grab that. Otherwise, just rip it. Yep, just rip that plastic. Get that monitor out of there. So the monitor comes in this really nice looking faux leather case. Got the ARZOPA branding on the front there, but very minimalistic. Nothing that's going to cause too much distraction. The monitor is actually impressively slim at just 0.3 inches thick, about 1.7 pounds. This thing is really great for just tossing in your backpack when you're heading out. Going to be gaming, going to be just needing an extra screen. If you just have a laptop, if you have something that you want to stay extra portable but need that extra monitor, this is a pretty cool little device. This is a demonstration of how not to set that up. Yep. Devin, go ahead and take a look at those instructions for real this time, and it's actually surprisingly easy to set up. I just had it sitting on the wrong side of the folio here. You magnetize that right there, and it sits up and is perfect for your viewing pleasure. And this is a really great little device, something that you will definitely see down in the Pixel Pub for a while to come here.